Involuntary hunger among Filipinos saw as a light uptick according to the Social Weather Survey findings released today. The National SWS survey done from December 10 to 14, 2022 said that 11.8% of Filipino families, or an estimated 3 million families, experienced involuntary hunger. This figure was slightly above 11.3%, an estimated 2.89 million families in October 2022. The SWS defines involuntary hunger as being hungry and not having anything to eat at least once in the past 3 months.
In a world abundant with resources, the persistence of poverty and hunger stands as a stark contradiction. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the global visions of no poverty and zero hunger. Two of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals aim transforming our world by 2030.
Nearly 10% of the world's population lives in extreme poverty, surviving on less than 100 pesos a day. Meanwhile, hunger affects over 820 million people, with 1 in 9 going to bed hungry each night. These numbers are more than statics, they represent real lives and stories of struggle. The journey toward no poverty and zero hunger is a collective one. Every action counts, from supporting local food banks to advocating for policies that address inequality and climate change. Together, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.
Across the globe,
Thank you for watching.
efforts are underway to tackle these pressing issues, from international organizations to grassroots movements. Initiatives like sustainable farming, technological innovations, and community empowerment are making tangible differences. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals serves as a roadmap for these efforts, emphasizing collaboration and action.
Posibleng halos 1 milyong benepisyaryo ng Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program o 4Ps ang matanggal sa listahan ng recipients ng DSWD. Sa panayam ng Super Radyo DZBB, sinabi ni Social Welfare Secretary Erwin Tulfo na aabutin sila ng halos 1 buwan para ma-update ang listahan na merong 4.4 million beneficiaries. Kabilang daw dito sa marching orders ni Pangulong Marcos dahil marami raw nakakatanggap ng ayuda na hindi na kwalipikado. Yung iba naman daw ay pinansusugal ang ayuda. Ipapalit sa listahan ng mga makakatanggap ng benepisyo ang mga nasa waiting list ng DSWD.
Poverty and hunger are interconnected challenges fueled by multiple factors. Climate change devastated crops and livelihood. Economic inequalities widen the gaps between rich and poor. Systematic issues in food distribution immense waste, while many go hungry. Imagine a world free from poverty and hunger. A world where every person can reach to their full potential. This vision is not just a dream. It's a goal within our reach. Join us in making no poverty and zero hunger a reality. The future is on our hands.
Ano pangarap nyo paglaki?
Ako po, pulis. Ako
Ikaw?
po, talo.
Maabot nyo ba yon?
Opo. Opo.
Ang gagawin nyo?
Pasok po. Mag-aaral
Napasok kayo sa
muna.
school.
Mapagtapos sana po, mapagtapos po ano ng pag-aaral.
Anong pangalan nyo?
Ako po, John Lexus po.
Ikaw?
Yan is late po.
Oh, mag-aaral kayo ah.
Opo.